Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be making over a mini Christmas tree. So yeah, grab a brew and let's get started. So first of all, I took apart the Christmas tree. I just basically took off all the old decorations. It was really simple. They just basically pulled off. So then I had these buckets. I'd got them from the works in the UK and I'd put some decoupage on them during the summer and I'd never used them. So I decided to put the Christmas tree in that. Unfortunately, it didn't fit. So it was time to get the scissors out and then just cut off the excess. And then once all the excess was cut off, I just added plenty of glue onto the bottom and stuck it into the bucket. So I knew I wanted to add some ribbon to the tree and I wanted to make like a large topper for it, like you see on the big Christmas trees. So I'd got this ribbon. It was £2 from the works. I also bought this last year and I just made myself a couple of small bows and added those on with wire to the tree. The second bow I just wired onto the back. So then these plants, I'd got them as part of the Halloween haul from the range that I did a couple of months ago. You can go back and see that video. And I wanted to use these to create the Christmas topper. Yeah, they were £1.29 from the range in the UK. So I just cut them off, position them where I want them, and then just add some hot glue and put them back into the position that I wanted them. So then I had some of these pearl beaded picks. So I also added some hot glue to those and added them to the topper. Did end up adding just one more of those picks towards the end. So then I got these balls out of the Christmas stash that I've got and I glued those on. I glued 3 of those on in total. And then you'll see that I have some white sparkly balls as well that I've took off some picks that I had, and I also had those. So then I had this little wreath that have got like snowberries on it. So I took that apart. I basically just ripped the wreath apart, as you can see, and I glued those in as well, going around the tree. Towards the end, I do end up cutting them down and spreading them around a little bit more. They did actually stick out a little bit more than I wanted to, but I just snipped the top view of the snowberries off, and I glued those into the tree as like a filler. So from there I wanted to make sure the ribbon was secure and add a couple of more flyaway ribbons. So I started cutting this ribbon into a dovetail, and I only went and cut it the wrong way. Yep. So I just recut it, and then I put some wire onto the actual ribbon, some of the florist wire that I've been using, and just glued that into the tree where I wanted it. And then I made, they were 6-inch long, the little like flyaways that I did. So I got a piece of the ribbon which was 6-inch long, a dovetail either end, and then I put some wire around and glue those into the tree as well. Cut the dovetails the right way this time. So I did a few of these like flyaways, these tails, to put in the tree and use them as like a filler to fill in gaps in the tree. And then I also got some little green balls off a pick, and I glued those on as well. And then it was a case of just filling in any gaps that I thought there was. So I took a couple of acorns off the original tree and I glued those in, and I just went round gluing as I wanted. Like I say, I did cut down a couple of the snowball ones. I just took like the top 3 berries off and I put those into the tree as well. And then I just went in and, like I say, carried on putting things into the tree as I liked it. I mean, I could have gone on all night, really. I did add these little green bits of foliage as well that had come off the actual picks with the white balls on. And I went in and I added those. And then I had to stop myself. I already been there, like I say, all night, adding things in. So, what do you think, guys? I think it's really pretty. A really nice addition to my Christmas fur stock. So all these things I'm doing at the moment are for selling at a Christmas fair, and I hope to sell this on too. please do let me know what you think in the comments, and please do like and of course subscribe. And thank you to everyone who's subscribed lately. It means a great deal to me. If you would change anything, let me know in the comments. Anyway, that's it for now. It's coming towards the end of the video, so I hope to see you all soon. Thanks guys. Bye.